Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever thought about hosting on VRBO? Perhaps you've heard of it, perhaps not. VRBO, short for Vacation Rentals by Owner, is an online marketplace where homeowners can rent out their properties to travelers. We're here today to delve into the nitty-gritty of VRBO hosting. We'll be exploring the advantages and potential pitfalls, the ins and outs, the good and the not so good. So, is VRBO the right platform for your short-term rental? Stay tuned to find out. Scene script. First, let's delve into the benefits of hosting on VRBO. One of the primary advantages of hosting on VRBO is the potential for high earnings. With millions of users worldwide, the platform offers a vast market for hosts. If your property is in a popular location or has unique features, you may find yourself earning significantly more than traditional renting. Ease of use is another benefit. VRBO's user-friendly interface makes it simple for hosts to list their properties, manage bookings, and communicate with potential guests. From creating a captivating listing to managing your calendar, VRBO takes the hassle out of hosting. Security is a crucial concern for many hosts. Thankfully, VRBO has robust security measures in place to protect hosts. The platform verifies guests' identities and provides a secure payment system. Plus, VRBO's Host Guarantee Program offers up to $1 million in property damage protection, giving hosts peace of mind. Lastly, VRBO's large user base is a major plus. With millions of active users, your listing can be seen by a diverse group of potential guests. This vast exposure can lead to more bookings and, in turn, higher earnings. These benefits, backed by countless positive testimonials from hosts, make VRBO an attractive platform for short-term rental hosting. From high earning potential to excellent security measures, VRBO offers an all-around positive hosting experience. Clearly, there are many benefits to hosting on VRBO, but what about the downsides? Now it's time to discuss some potential drawbacks of hosting on VRBO. First up, let's talk about service fees. Unlike some other platforms, VRBO charges a substantial fee to hosts. This can vary, but it typically ranges from 6 to 12% of the booking total. That's a slice of your potential earnings gone before you've even welcomed your first guest. Next, let's consider competition. The VRBO marketplace is brimming with high-quality rentals. This is great for guests, but it means as a host, you're up against some stiff competition. To stand out, you'll need to offer something special, whether that's a prime location, a unique property, or exceptional service. Then there's the issue of guest behavior. While the majority of guests are respectful and considerate, there are always exceptions. Some hosts have reported property damage, noise complaints, or issues with late checkouts. VRBO does offer some protections for hosts, but dealing with these incidents can still be stressful and time-consuming. Finally, unlike some rivals, VRBO doesn't allow hosts to set their own cancellation policies. Instead, hosts must choose from one of VRBO's preset policies, which may not suit everyone's needs. These points are not intended to discourage you, but rather to paint a realistic picture. After all, knowledge is power when it comes to making informed decisions. As you can see, while there are many benefits to hosting on VRBO, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. So, to recap, we've explored the ins and outs of hosting on VRBO. We've seen the advantages, like the potential for high earnings and the platform's strong reputation. But we've also considered the downsides, such as the competitive nature of the platform and the fees involved. It's a balancing act, and every host's experience will vary. Whether or not VRBO is right for you ultimately depends on your specific circumstances and goals as a host. But hopefully this video has given you some food for thought. Thanks for watching!